What you see behind us is a yard, an operations yard. This location is an ideal place where we can dispatch snow plows for sidewalks.
Modular building is essentially off-site construction. Take some conventional construction practices, you fabricate them off-site in a controlled environment, transfer them to the site, and reassemble them and do the site completion. The main advantage of modular construction is you're increasing your effectiveness in delivering on-time schedule. For example, while we are building the building, site is already constructing the foundation.
It actually lets you have a tighter schedule because you're kind of doing two things at the same time. You're able to compress the schedule, I wouldn't say in half, but I'd say 25% of the schedule by building off-site and bringing it to the site.
We went with this modular build because it allowed us the flexibility of a short period of time to get the buildings up and running so that we could move in, take them over, and be in place and ready for November snowfall.
This is basically a ground-up project. We installed new utilities, new services. We built a pond in the back, all new parking structure for the City of Vaughan. We built basically 2 buildings at the same time while installing all new utilities. Yeah, it's pretty amazing for what we've done in the short time span that we've had.